gotta do it. Give me the dog. Give me the dog.
Gonna follow me. Hold on. Yes. You gotta go. I gotta get your bag.
Gotta get the bags, buddy. Hey, gotta get the bags.
Just to open up the back door, he'll get right in.
Oh, in the car? Where the fuck you going? There's coffee. You can't have coffee. I'm not going walking around the fucking cemetery. Where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
We go down to the cemetery.
Oh, come on. I'm not going to the fucking cemetery.
What? Alright, don't be taking it out on him.
I'm just trying to get myself off the fucking ground. Here. Go to the fucking cemetery.
So now you're not coming.
I thought you were taking for a walk, go pee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we go up there where he's not bothered. Did you get hurt?
Doesn't fucking matter, does it?
Yeah, it does.
Have a good time. Thought you were going for a walk.
Yeah, we did a walk.